Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. We made it to the weekend. Hope you're doing well. I'm doing pretty well in my part of the world. It's a beautiful day outside, very sunny, very warm. We're expecting a very warm weekend. But I hope that you're well too. I hope that you and your families are doing good in your part of the world. Really looking forward to spending some time with you today. I see that there's people already lined up on Instagram and on YouTube, and I actually I want to say hello to Sonia Plays real quick, because she is our first participant from Kick, which is great. You are the first person to ever participate from Kick. I just started pushing out on Kick maybe like in the last 2 weeks or so. So happy to see that there's some engagement there. See some people from Kick. So welcome, Sonia. So Sonia, and for other people who are new to joining us, we always start off with our global roll call. I like to hear where everybody's from, see the global data science community, and I just like seeing where people are listening to me. It's kind of cool. So let me know your city, state, province, whatever you want to do to introduce yourself. I also do this so that you don't have to feel like you have to ask some technical question or anything like that. You can participate just by letting us know where you're listening. We have a lot of great questions. We usually have a lot of wow, Rehan, you're coming in with the questions already. Let's pump the brakes, Rehan. Pump the brakes. People are asking all questions already. I think this might be your first time in the chat, and you're coming in hot with a question. I appreciate the enthusiasm. I know data science is exciting, but let's ease into this. It's a Saturday, For me, it's Saturday morning. I know that for some of you, it's Saturday night. Just hanging out. We're gonna have a really fun stream today. It's gonna be really interactive. Even if you're a beginner, you can participate today. Okay, so I'm already seeing. I'm already seeing some jokes in the chat, but I'm already also seeing some people who are saying, hey, they're just here to listen. That's cool. Today's your show, because that way I'm gonna have something where you can participate and with no pressure. We can have fun with it today. We're gonna have a little bit of a game show today, so it's gonna be fun. Okay. But everybody, let's just calm down with the questions. Some of you are coming in hot. It's a Saturday. Let's let our hair down a little bit, okay? So please let me know your city, state, province. Let me know where you're from. I'm on the west coast of the United States, so it's a very hot part of the country, very hot part of the world. But that's where I'm located. Would love to hear where you're from. Just go ahead and introduce yourself. I'm already seeing some people. I like to do a little bit of an opening note just to give you guys some time to put in your city, state, and province. So there are a couple of kind of like housekeeping things I want to cover with all of you. So first of all, thank you so much for the stream yesterday. I had a ton of fun. I thought the questions yesterday were amazing. I had a lot of fun with those questions. I hope that people who attended found it beneficial. So I'm rolling out those the shorts of those questions over the next 5-6 days or so. So look for those on YouTube. The first one went out today. But yeah, I just wanted to thank you guys for a great chat yesterday. I really had a lot of genuine fun. So I hope to keep that rolling today. Okay. Second thing I want to cover with all of you is we have some great guests coming up. Oh, excuse me. I jumped ahead myself. Sorry. Let me open up my classroom camera. Yep. So tomorrow, we continue the Introduction to Statistical Learning book. Great book. It's already our third session. We're already on chapter 5. So come and join us. We're doing the entire book, but we're using AI tools, because AI, developing algorithms via AI is going to be the way that we're going to be working in the future. So we're going to start to prepare now. We've been having a great class, great participants, a lot of back and forth. I ask a lot of questions during the class. So it's really a way for you to stay engaged. If you want to get caught up, go watch the first 2 sessions on my YouTube and then join us. You don't have to stay the whole time, or if you come in late, that's totally okay. We always go at least 2 hours. But yeah, so I wanted to remind you guys of that. Second thing I want to remind you guys is I have some really cool guests coming up. This week, my friend Hira has pre-recorded an interview with me. Unfortunately, his schedule didn't allow for live stream, but he's recorded a really great interview for all of you. I'm releasing that on Thursday, August 8th. So keep an eye out for that. He's a really smart guy, a data science executive that I worked with for quite a few years. Really had some interesting things to say. We recorded it last week, so really good content coming up for you guys there. After that, on the 15th, on a live stream, I'm going to have my friend Laura Sell come in. She's a wealth management executive, really talented lady. We worked together for a couple of years. I was based in New York, she was based in London, but really understands data. I'm really looking forward to coming and talking to you guys. And we're doing that live, so that's going to be a live stream one. So I'm really looking forward to it. Laura Sell's great. And then after Laura Sell on the 22nd, I just confirmed that my friend Lynn is going to also be able to join us. She's a specialist, not just with analytics, but with HR analytics. And I think that's a super interesting field. So she's going to be joining us on the 22nd. Don't miss that. She's also willing to go on live stream. And then I'm also talking to another friend of mine for the 29th. So I think I have somebody lined up for the 29th, I'm calling in old favors, guys. I'm calling in old favors. I'm calling old friends. I'm trying to get them, to come on and give us their view, because I think it's good for all of you to hear some of these concepts just from another voice that's not me. But yeah, so looking forward to that. But just wanted to kind of guide you guys on that and let you know what's coming up, because I think it's going to be some really cool content in the very near future. Okay, so people have already checked in, so let's do this so we can get to the game show. Looking forward to this. All right, let's see. We got a spam message. Thank you, Rex, for pointing that out. Unfortunately, I don't have a moderator on Twitch. There's just not enough people there. Actually, Rex, you're on Twitch, aren't you? Maybe I'll make you a moderator there. So Sonia Plays says, hello, Sonia. Good to see you. Sonia, let us know the city, state, province that you're from. We always like to start that off, and Sonia has the distinction of being our first follower from Kick, which is great. Would love to see more engagement on those platforms, so thank you so much, Sonia. Hope you're well. Rex, our man in NYC. Hope you're doing well, Rex. I hear NYC is still a little warm right now. I have a friend from NYC coming out to visit me next Friday. Rohan, my good friend, you've been such a good supporter this week. You've been here, I think you've been here every day, so good to see you from Vizag, India. Hope you're doing well, my friend. Ashish, let us know where you're from, but Ashish says greetings. Rahan, I'm not sure if we're going to get time for questions today, but let us know where you're from, Rahan. Go ahead and introduce yourself. Palki, our good friend, I was wondering what had happened to you. I hope you're well. Palki says hello from Dehradun, India. I hope you're well out there, Palki. Joseph Hernandez says, good morning, Dennis. Hope everyone's having a great Saturday. Yeah, Joseph is one of our moderators on our Discord channel. So if you are a member of our Discord channel and you see Joseph around, make sure you thank him for helping us with that moderation. But good to see you, Joseph. Salar Sabir says, hi, Dennis from Pakistan. Cool, just started to follow. Great. Just keep on following us. We're going to have a pretty interactive show today, so feel free to, jump in and participate as you feel comfortable, but looking forward to seeing you. Hope you're well in Pakistan. Mowgli says, Black Panther from Wakanda. Okay, so somebody feels like going undercover. Apparently sharing their city and state is too much personal information. So thank you for being with us. Uzair says, hello, sir. Uzair from Cleveland. About to start my junior year in computer science. Cool. Uzair, good to see you. You go to school in Cleveland or somewhere else? I don't know what universities are in Cleveland. I'm not familiar with those, but glad to see you here. Okay, see, Rehan, there you go. So Rehan tells us he's from Pune, India. So, okay, cool. So you introduce yourself, you get to know some of the people, hang out in the chat, and then we'll get to questions. You gotta ease into a Saturday, right? You can't just come in hot with the questions, okay, Rehan? But I appreciate the enthusiasm. Sparshukla? No, Sparshukla? Yeah. Shukla 97 from Melbourne, Australia. Very cool, welcome. I visited Australia for the first time a couple years back, so I hope you're well out there. Beautiful country. And I guess it's winter there now, right? Yeah, I think it'd be winter. But beautiful country, really enjoyed my stay there. Kush 2311 says, hi Kush. Hi Kush, nice to see you here. Let us know where you're from, Kush. Sonia Play says, "How are you?" I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. I'm doing very well. I've been up this morning. You know, I actually woke up very early. I've been up since 3 in the morning. I started to work on the materials for tomorrow's class session. You know, because I have to refresh myself a little bit, and then I also take the time to pick out the things that are relevant from the chapter. Because some things are very relevant and some are a little less relevant. So I take the time to curate that. Takes a lot of effort on my part, so I got to make sure I put the time in. But otherwise, I'm doing well. I've been up for a while, but I'm well. Rex says, I am on Twitch and YouTube. Okay, cool. Thanks for that, Rex. I think I might make you a moderator on Twitch for those times when we do get those spam messages, but thank you for that. Saffron Hamid says, Saffron from Germany. Welcome, Saffron. Good to see you. What part of Germany? Germany is a big country, right? So let us know what part of Germany. I think we've had other folks from Germany before, but remind me which one you're from. Uzair says, I go to Cleveland State University. Okay, very cool. Thanks for clearing that up. I hope you're having a good time there. I assume you're still on summer break, but I guess that's starting up soon. But I guess some schools start earlier than others. My niece recently started college, but in some cases they require you to start ahead of time, you know, to take summer courses, or they let you start in summer or something. But it's all weird now about who starts when. Travata says, hello, Dennis. Well, hello, Travata. Hope you stick around today. We're going to have a fun game show as soon as we get through all the intros. Somya Viswanathan. Somya, have you joined us before? I think your name sounds familiar, or maybe it was another Somya. But as she said, they say hi from India. Nice to see you. Hope you're well in India. Pravrata, we're not really having questions today. We're going to do a little bit of a game show today, but maybe remind me at the end if your question's pressing, okay? Spet PV says, yo. That's deep, dude. So welcome on Twitch. I'd love to see more people on Twitch. Make sure you also subscribe on Twitch. Saffron says, I'm from Frankfurt. Okay, cool. I think that's one of the bigger cities in Germany, right? Okay, guys. So if you're joining us late on Instagram, feel free to tell us your city, state, country. Just go ahead and introduce yourself. Oops, we got one more. Hamad says, hello, everyone. Good morning from Haripur, Pakistan. Welcome, Hamad. Hamad, I think you're also active on our Discord, if I remember right. So welcome. Good to see you here. But yeah, if you're still joining us, let us know. City, state, country. Just to participate. We're going to have a lot of participation today. Today, we're going to play a little bit of a game show just to have some fun, mix it up. You know, we had a good time yesterday's chat. You know, it felt like we got a lot accomplished, right? So today we take a little break, and then tomorrow we pick it up again by studying the Introduction to Statistical Learning book, right? So we're going to have a little bit of a game. It's called Wrong Answers Only. Okay, guys? Wrong Answers Only. The rules are in the title. Wrong Answers Only. I'm going to show you a few letters, abbreviations. And in the chat, you're going to go ahead and tell me what that stands for. Okay? So have fun with it. You know, be creative. You know, let's exercise our creativity muscles, right? It's important to be creative when you're a data scientist, right? So let's go ahead and do this, okay? Spet says, how do a chief data scientist is on Twitch? That's an honor. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not 100% sure what you mean there, Spet. Somya reminds me I am the same person who shared the ESG for investment. Oh, okay, yeah, I remember now, Somya. Yeah, good to see you again. Glad you're back. And Hamad says, yes, I am, for the question on the Discord. So yeah, it's the same Hamad. Okay, guys. So I'm going to switch over to my classroom view. This is where it gets a little bit crazy on Instagram because Instagram doesn't always show the best for the classroom view. But if you know, you can follow along just by listening, because I will read out the words that are on the screen. Or you can switch over to YouTube. It's up to you. But let's go ahead and get started. I was working on this deck right before we started. Okay, so wrong answers only. And by the way, ChatGPT generated this image for me. I think it's kind of cool. I kind of like this image. I thought it was super colorful. But credit there to Dolly for generating that. All right, wrong answers only. Let's see. What did the letter stand for? And only give me the wrong answer. And if and the chat reserves the right to make fun of you if you give the actual answer, okay? So, wrong answers only. Let's go. EDA. What is EDA? Wrong answers only. Feel free to participate on any of the platforms you want. I'll be reading them out, the answers as they come in. Yeah, Rehan, if you want to send me a question, I'll do my best. I get a lot of messages though, but I'll try my best. But EDA. Okay. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. We are getting some competitive submissions here. It's going to be competitive already, guys. I can tell already. Give everybody another 30 seconds or so. I should have put a timer on the screen. All right. Wow, look at this. Okay. I'm going to start reading these out just in the interest of time, but feel free to go ahead and keep on submitting, okay? In fact, maybe you want to use some of the submissions. Maybe going early is a mistake, right? Maybe you want to hang back and see everybody else's submissions, right? I don't know. And maybe there's a strategy for this game. Okay, but Rex, coming in hot with excellent data analyst. I like that. That should be your next title. I like this one. Electro Dance Academy. Nice. Love it. Rohan says every data analysis. Okay. Okay. A little too close to the real thing though, right? So you got to get away from that. Electronic director available. Okay, Spet, I'm feeling that. I'm feeling that. That's a good one. Palki says elephant dojo arriving. That is a big dojo though, isn't it? How big does that dojo have to be for an elephant? That's a big dojo, but I love the creativity. Oh, nice. Joseph says extra delicious apples. Yeah, okay. Yep. See, I like that one because you could build the backstory of, oh yes, EDA, you mean the extra delicious apples from the mountains of Norway in the special orchards where they have the goats that tend to the apple trees. Yes, the extra delicious apples. Aw, boo. Boo. Nyan and I am Chandu did not understand the assignment. I need one of those buttons where like it has like a boo sound. Nyan, we're playing wrong answers only, okay? Try again. Oh, Spec coming in twice with a submission. East District answers? I don't know what the ands is, but I like the fact that you're trying 2 submissions. Hey, you know what? Go as many times as you guys want, okay? Extract, download, append. Okay, I like that. Feels like an ETL function. Extract, download, append. Okay, I like that. I like that creativity. Okay, love that. Go ahead and I'm going to give everybody another 10 seconds or so. Aditya says elephants do analytics. Nice. I like that. Okay, I am Chandu now understands the assignment. Engage data assumption. Much better than the previous entry. Elephants do analytics. Nice. Elephants are very popular in the chat. See, you might want to just hang back and see what other people are doing, right? Because maybe you pick up some clues or some ideas for what you do. But this is great, guys. Okay, 10 seconds and then we're moving on to the next one. I love this. I think you guys, I don't want to ask you guys to vote because you'll just vote for your own, right? So I think if you want to vote for somebody else, you're welcome to do that, right? Don't vote for yourself. But otherwise, I'll be the judge here. I'm kind of feeling Electro Dance Academy. Let me go highlight that one. So that's Aditya. Aditya, I'm kind of feeling Electric Dance Academy. That's kind of a cool. I like that one. Yep, Joseph are doing our great mod job. Wrong answers only. Yep. All right, guys. So I think we're ready for the next one. Okay, that was a good one. NLP, go. NLP. Wrong answers only. So guys, if you're just joining us, we're playing wrong answers only. The word is up on the screen. If you're on Instagram, the word right now is NLP, wrong answers only. Feel free to join in. Wow, Spet, you are fast. See, Spet, you know what, guys? Spet must be a gamer because they got like those fingers that just go super fast because they jumped in right away. So Spet is coming in with NAND logic patent. Okay. I am Chandu is Naruto Lang. But where's the P? You gotta have all letters, guys. It can't be a partial answer, okay? Oh, Palki. I like this one. No language programming. All right, Palki. I'm feeling that one. I'm feeling that one. I like that one. Rohan says new language programming. Very close. Very close. That's going to be hard to choose. Joseph says ninjas love pancakes. Nice. Nice. Okay. All right. So I am Chandu fixes their submission to Naruto language programming. Okay. Okay. Going for that little anime feel. Okay. Cool. Balamurugan. Boo. Wrong answers only, my friend. Spet with a second submission of Neverlasting Pain. Okay. That sounds like something like you'd see at like, you know, like those gyms where like they put like the inspirational quotes. You know, that sounds like something you'd see on a gym wall, right? Neverlasting Pain, right? Normalized local portfolio. Okay. Doesn't make sense, but I like it. I am Chandu says, I just saw only 2 letters. Excuse me. You know, Chandu, that might be happening because you're on Instagram. So if you want to get a wider view, you could try YouTube because that does give a little bit of a wider view, especially when I'm in this classroom view. And especially if you want to join us on Sundays, you're definitely going to want to be on YouTube. But yeah, you know, just do the best you can. But I will try to read out every single letter, okay? And I'll say how many letters there are so that way people know. Rex coming in with no lip processing. All right, cool. I like that one. Okay, guys, give you guys another 10 seconds here. Remember, if you're joining us, wrong answers only. Give another 10 seconds here, and I'll have to pick a winner. Palki says none likes programming. Oh, Jothy Hicks, nothing like pizza. Ooh, that's a late strong entry there. I don't know. That's a okay. Last call for entries. I love that entry. Last call. Anybody else for NLP? NLP. Last call. All right. You know what? I was headed, Joseph. I'm sorry. I was headed towards Ninjas Love Pancakes, but Jotty Hicks with the nothing like pizza coming in late at the last minute. I kind of like that. Nothing like pizza. You're making me hungry though, but I love pizza. So I have to agree with you. Nothing like pizza. NLP. Maybe, you know what? That's a good restaurant, right? The NLP parlor, right? That way people are always asking you can say nothing like pizza, right? Our Stippus says, our Stippus, we're just having some fun today. We're playing a game show called Wrong Answers Only. I show you 3 letters or a couple letters on the screen, and you tell me what it stands for, but wrong answers only, okay? So if you give the right answer, chat will make fun of you. All right, so let's go on to the next one. I love that more people are joining in. All right, so I think the next one's going to be competitive because I see a lot of people joining in. All right, guys, so here we go. CV. CV. So there's only 2 letters to this one. Joseph Hernandez says, I can't fight with pizza. Right? I mean, that's a strong entry there that Jothy Hicks came in at the very last minute. Nothing like pizza. Strong entry. Strong entry there. All right, but the current entry is CV. Only 2 letters to this one, guys. If you're on Instagram, it's only 2 letters. Okay, Palki coming in with cat vision. I like it. Rohan Cute Voive? Is that like a French word? Spet coming in with Captain Vegan. Nice. That's a good one. I love Captain Vegan is a good one. Would make for a good Halloween costume, right? Captain Vegan. Rex says curriculum valued. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. So Rohan says he meant to write voice. So cute voice for CV. Deadlord coming in with cool vinyl. Hamad, cupcake vendor. I like that one, Hamad. Cupcake vendor. Creative. Cool vinyl's pretty good too. Cool vinyl's also a good name for a band, right? Like a 90s cover band or an 80s cover band. What's your band called? We're Cool Vinyl, man. That's a good name. Oh, Colonel Velociraptor. Nice. Colonel Velociraptor. That sounds like a good name for like a comedy, right? Like a movie. Palky says, "Come Vegas." Okay, I like that one. I like that one. I'm a fan of Vegas. Chandra says, "California, Vegas." Okay, okay, very neighboring state and city. Joseph Hernandez comes in with cat videos. All right. Spet with a second entry of Called Valley. Spet, you're just like pumping out the entries, man. You should work like in marketing or something. Rex also with the second entry of Camping Villa. All right. All right, so if you're joining us late, feel free to participate in the game. Wrong answers only. The current entry is CV. Anybody else? Last call for CV. This is going to be hard to choose. You guys are coming up with some good ones. You know, we might have to take a vote on this one. Okay, okay, chat. I'm opening this up to a vote because I really can't decide. All right? So our two finalists are going to be Captain Vegan and Cupcake Vendor. Give me a 1 for Captain Vegan and give me a 2 for Cupcake Vendor. I gotta open it up to the chat. I can't decide. I like both of them. So a 1 for Captain Vegan, a 2 for Cupcake Vendor. Okay, I'm seeing some votes. So far it's tied. It's tied right now. Jeez. Okay, there we go. Cupcake Vendor takes the lead. Cupcake Vendor takes the lead by 2 now. By 3. Give me a 1 for Captain Vegan or a 2 for Cupcake Vendor. Any more votes? Okay, there's another Captain Vegan vote. Where's my Instagram voters? Instagram, let's vote on this. Captain Vegan or Cupcake Vendor? Now, hold on, Spet. You're not out of this yet. There's still some votes to come. I think you're behind by 2, right? So Cupcake Vendor's ahead by 2 right now. Anybody else? Last call for votes. We're voting 1 for Captain Vegan, 2 for Cupcake Vendor. Oh, there we go. There's another vote. So Cupcake Vendor's ahead by 1. Last call for votes. A super close vote, guys. You could make the difference. Last call. All right. Cupcake Vendor it is. Cupcake Vendor wins. Congratulations, Hamad. That was a good one. Good job on the participation, guys. Those are funny. All right. Ready for the next one? Here we go. DS. DS. Give me the wrong answers only for DS. I see people joining on Instagram. We're playing wrong answers only. The current entry is DS. Let us know wrong answers only. What does it stand for? Chandra coming in with Dr. Stranger. Nice. I like that one. I'm feeling that one. Spet coming in with Decent Salvation. Okay. Palki says Dead Science. Oh, Hamad coming in with Donut Science. Hamad, first one you were cupcakes and now you're donuts. Are you hungry? Are you a baker maybe? You got a food theme going on, a bakery theme going on. Deadlord comes in with Donut Spaghetti. Okay. Okay, I like Donut Spaghetti. Good name, another good name for a band, right? Like a punk band. Deep Science. Okay. Okay. Anybody else for DS? Instagram, feel free to keep joining and voting here. Dragon Slayers. Okay, I like that one. Very medieval. Rex says Doom Cyan. Doom Cyan. Is that like an anime theme, I think? Rex coming in also with Deep Surface. Deadlord with Data Squirrel. I like it. Deadlord has come up with Data Squirrel and Donut Spaghetti. Two very strong entry, guys. Two very strong entries. Daily Sarcasm. Okay, I like that. Good name for a blog. Don't See. Dope Soap. Okay. I don't know why that one made me laugh, but it does sound funny. Joseph is going with Data Sloth. Okay, which if you guys don't know, that's his name on Discord, so I like that. Hamad with Duck Samurai. Nice. I'd like to see that. You know, I wonder what ChatGPT comes up with if you put in Duck Samurai, you know, or Dolly rather. I want to see what a Duck Samurai looks like. In fact, let's do that. That could be fun. I have my ChatGPT up. Because I was getting my, I was getting all my stuff ready. I bet it's going to be a good one. Last call for entry, guys, on DS. Oh, nice! That is a nice picture. You guys seen that? That is super nice. In fact, let me blow it up there. So Hamad, is that what you had in mind for your Duck Samurai? I think that looks pretty cool, actually. I love the colors. That's a good one. Done Seeing by Palki. Or we also have the most important process of data analysis, data strangulation. Nice. I like that. I like the tie-ins back to data science. Good one. All right, anybody else? Last call for DS. Lots of strong entries. I'm kind of leaning Donut Spaghetti, Data Sloth, because I like the personal tie back in, and Duck Samurai. Oh my gosh, you're right. Spet says, that's a duck doing the seppuku. Oh my gosh, you're right. You're right. I think it's intended to be trying to put in the sword over here, but you're right. The air makes it look like it's seppuku. Oh my, I didn't even notice that. That's terrible. All right, guys, last call for DS. Anybody else for DS? All right, well, I think it's close. I think, Hamad, I'm liking the Duck Samurai. I might put this in the Discord just for fun. But I gotta go with Data Sloth. Gotta go for that personal touch there that Joseph put in there. Gotta go for that personal touch. So Data Sloth is our winner for DS. Nice one. All right, let's move on to the next one. RNN. This one's a little harder, yeah? RNN is the current word. So if you're on Instagram, you're welcome to join us. We're playing wrong answers only. RNN is the current word. JDV, I'm not sure I understand your question, please. Spet coming in with Regina New Neighborhood. You know, I did a contract in Canada. I lived in Canada for like 6 months doing a contract for IBM. And in Canada, it's not Regina, it's Regina. I never understood why they pronounce it differently. But, you know, there's a city in one of the provinces, I think it's a big city. And, you know, in the US and most parts of the world, you pronounce it Regina. But in Canada, you pronounce it Regina. Never understood why. Rex coming in with Run Never Not. Okay. Run Never Not. Okay. Rohan coming in with Rome, Naples, Nice, I'm going to assume. Rome, Naples, Nice. I kind of like that one. But this one's hilarious. Deadlord is coming in with Raccoon Ninja Network. I like that one. That's a strong entry, guys. That's a super strong entry. Ruining nautical nudity by, is it Arstippus? I'm just going to say Arstippus. Ruining nautical nudity. Nice. Hamad comes in with right now napping. I like it. I like it. Includes the sleeping emoji for that extra touch on his entry. Spet, right, never negotiate. Okay. Okay. Jody coming in with Royal Navy number. All right. Really, that's a really practical explanation. Like, I could see it actually being that. Like, I bet you, like, somewhere there is that, like, a form that has a R and N on it, right? Joseph with really nice noodles. You know what? Why are we getting so many food theme entries? You guys are making me hungry. I usually eat breakfast after this. You guys are making me super hungry. But really nice noodles. I like it. Davidson says, hello. Hey, Davidson, good to see you. Listen, we're playing a special game today. It's called Wrong Answers Only. I put the words up on the screen. I'm going to read them out loud. I see that you're on Instagram. So right now, the word is RNN. Give me a wrong answer only. What does it stand for? Chandra says, Rolex New Nasty. Okay. Okay. I like it. Who doesn't like Rolex? All right, guys. Last call for entries. Raccoon Ninja Network is tempting. It's tempting to declare them the winner now because it's such a strong entry. Rex Round Next North. All right. Sounds like a map instruction or something that, you know, Google Maps would tell you. These are great answers though, guys. But last call before we declare a winner here. Joseph says, I think I'm hungry. Yeah, me too. We're talking about donuts, noodles, all these things, drumsticks. I'm hungry. I'm definitely hungry. Right, not now. Okay, I like that. Deadlord. Wait a minute. No, Deadlord, you were sitting on the winning entry. You don't want to spoil it by participating again. You got to hang back when you got the winning hand, my friend. Rolling, but he comes in with Rolling Nightmare Nappers. Good bowling team name, right? Like if you're in a bowling league, that's a great name. Spet RT National News. All right. Jothy Round Nosed Neighbor. Nice. I think we've all had a little bit of a nosy neighbor, right? That's a good one, Jothy. Ronnie Not Nice. All right. I love the participation, Davidson, because I know you just popped in, so I love that you're getting it. So be ready, because we got a couple more to go. All right, last call for RNN. Last call before I declare Raccoon Ninja Network the winner. Abdullah, thanks for joining. We're playing a game called wrong answers only. I show you a word on the screen and you got to give me the wrong answer of what it stands for, okay? You know, and there's a little bit of a strategy there. You might want to hang back, just see what everybody does, you know, see what the leaders are. Maybe you want to see, you know, see if you can come up with something better than the top one. Okay, Spet is coming in with risk not needed. Nice. Joseph, you know better than that. Did somebody hack your account? Come on, Joseph. All right, so I'm gonna declare. Yeah, it's really hard, but Raccoon Ninja Network, Deadlord, that was like the second or third answer we got. That's a strong entry. I love the Raccoon Ninja Network. You know what this is starting to remind me of? It's reminding me of like when they tell you like on a multiple choice test, you should always just go with whatever like your initial gut reaction is, because that's usually the right answer. Like the subconscious of your brain is telling you like that's the right answer. Because it seems like the strong ones are the early ones, but you guys are doing great with this. So yeah, Deadlord, congratulations on the win there. Deadlord waving to us there. That was a good one. Joseph says, I typed it accidentally. Well, don't let it happen again, man. All right, next one, guys. Here we go. OOP. Wrong answers only for OOP. I see people joining us on Instagram. We're playing wrong answers only. And the current word on the screen is OOP. This is a harder one, I think, yeah? Oh, Spet. Come on, Spet. You are doing better. You're better than this, Spet. Come on. Joseph says overcooked olive pancakes. Nice. I like that entry. That's a strong one to kick us off. Rex is out of practice. Okay, I like that. A little too practical for the game though. Right? You got to give me some humor or some little twist to it. But a good effort. You get an A for effort, Rex. Rex is OOP. This is a little harder. Little harder. Wrong answers only. Oh gosh, now we're going to talk about onions and pudding. So many food answers. Outrageous onions pudding. Nice. Spet is ominous owl powers. Oh, nice. Spet, you kind of redeemed yourself there with ominous owl powers. That's nice. I like that. Ominous owl powers. That sounds like a spell in a video game, right? Or like a Magic the Gathering game, right? Ominous owl powers for 4 mana. Object out programming. Yeah, okay. A for effort, but a little too close to the real thing. Rohan with only 1 place. Okay. Okay, I'm kind of feeling that one. Abdullah, yes. Abdullah understood the assignment. Open-minded, omnipotent pizza. Nice. But Abdullah, it doesn't have to be food related, by the way. It just seems that way because so many people are giving food answers. But it's a great entry. Ashish says orange oyster pearls. Orange oyster pearls. Okay. Okay. I'm not a fan of oysters, but I like the entry. Only onion pie. Can you imagine if there was such a thing? Only onion pie. Raga, boo. It's called wrong answers only. Spet says open OS only. Nice. We like Linux. I like it too. So are you a Linux guy? Because I am too. You know, I try to encourage that in everyone because, you know, not everybody uses cloud, guys. You have to know some Linux to work for some of these companies. So I'm on board with OpenOS only. Otters organizing pandas. Nice. Nice. I love that one. Otters organizing pandas. That might be the leader so far. We've had some good one. You know, Deadlord, you're going to have some competition on this. We might have to vote on this one again, guys. But last call for OOP. Yeah, Raga, go ahead and give us an answer. Wrong answers only for OOP. But, you know, thanks for joining. When there's a couple more slides left. I think there's at least a couple more entries. I can't remember how many I did, to be honest with you. Spet says, I'm on Debian. Well, Debian's a Linux flavor, isn't it? I think it is. Only outsourced programs. Okay, I like that. Is it Jimoku? Jimoko? I think you just joined us, so welcome. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the game. Old offended plumber. Nice. Great Halloween costume, right? To go for an old offended plumber. Stippus says, fulfilling my obligation to inform everyone that I too use Linux. Nice. I'm not elite enough to use Arch though. Nice. Nice. Okay, so last call for OOP. It's gonna be a tight one, guys. This is gonna be another vote. This is gonna be another vote for the chat. So everybody get ready to vote. I'm looking at the entries. All right, nobody else? All right, guys, so we're gonna vote. It's gonna come down to a vote. Jeez, this is hard. I'm gonna have to give you guys... I'm seeing 3 finalists. I'm seeing 3 finalists. I like olive, what was it? Overcooked olive pancakes. Give me a 1 to vote for overcooked olive pancakes. Give me a 2 to vote for ominous owl powers. And give me a 3 for otters organizing pandas. 3 strong entries, guys. So once again, 1 for overcooked olive pancakes. 2 for ominous owl powers. Or a 3 for otters organizing pandas. Thank you, Joseph. Thanks for helping Piyush out there. The community helping the community. Okay, close vote, guys. So once again, 1 for overcooked olive pancakes. 2 for ominous owl powers. And vote 3 for otters organizing pandas. Oh wait, shoot, Spet. Both of those are your entries. No. Sorry, it's Deadlord. So it's Joseph, Spet, and Deadlord that are our finalists. Okay, so I'm seeing a tie between 1 and 3. All right, guys, your vote makes a difference. They're tied. 1 and 3 are tied. Overcooked olive pancakes, ominous owl powers, or otters organizing pandas. Oh, otters organizing panda just took the lead. Last call for votes. 1 is overcooked olive pancakes, 2 is ominous owl powers, and 3 is otters organizing pandas. Oh, we're tied again. Raga just tied us again. So Spet, if you want to recast your vote, Spet, you might be the final vote, the deciding vote. Strong entries. That's why we're tied. Last call for votes. Last call for votes. Okay, Spet went 3. Spet went 3, so otters organizing pandas. Congratulations, Deadlord. Deadlord, I think that's your second win? Is that your second win or your third win? Deadlord has now won twice. All right, strong entries there. You guys are competitive. These are competitive entries. I like it. All right, guys. So let's go one more. I think I have another left. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. GAN. G-A-N. GAN is the current entry. Wrong answers only, please. Deadlord taking the lead with 2 wins. Current entry is GAN, G-A-N. Oh, I like that. Rohan, good advice now. Rohan coming in strong. I like that one. So if you're just joining us on any platform, we are playing a game, wrong answers only. The word is up on the screen. If you're on Instagram, maybe it's too narrow, but the current word is G-A-N, GAN. Wrong answers only. Abdullah comes in with genuinely aggressive nut. Okay. Current word is G-A-N. Spet says, get a nougat. Okay. Ashish is coming in with giggling ants of New York. Nice, I like that one. Strong entry. Deadlord, giraffes analyzing nachos. Okay, we're keeping with the food theme. We've had oysters, nachos, donuts. I think spaghetti. I think we had a spaghetti. Pancakes, olives. GAN. Any more entries for GAN? This one's a little harder. I think we're getting a little harder in the next couple. Get a nude? Okay. Okay. That's an entry. Joseph, guacamole and nachos. Wow. Yeah, we're back to making me hungry, guys. That sounds delicious. Ravindran, welcome. Glowing alien noodles. That's a good one too. Gold anamorphic nature. Nice. Spec coming in with gold anamorphic nature. That sounds like something that could actually exist, right? Like in geology or something, right? That sounds like a geology term. All right, let's have our last call for GAN. G-A-N. Last call for entries, really strong ones. I know which way I'm leaning, but I don't want to bias you guys. All right, Abdullah, I'm sorry, but I'm going to have to skip over your entry. I don't want to read that one out loud. Spec comes in with getting a nap. Okay, sounds very practical. Ravindran with global avocado network. Nice. Nice. Last call. Last call. Some strong entries. Wow. Ghost Adventure Network. Okay. I like that. All right, this is a close one, guys. This is a close one. Guess a number by Spet. Okay. All right. So I gotta say, Ravindran, you came in hot there at the end with Global Avocado Network. That's a good one. But I think I gotta give it to Ashish. The Giggling Ants of New York. I kind of like that one. Very creative. So Ashish, you're our winner on that one. The Giggling Ants of New York. I love it. That's a good one. Gummy Bears Ninja. Deadlord. It's not GBN, it's GAN. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, ready for the new one. XGB. This one's harder. And I think this might be our last one. Let me check here real quick. Yep, it's our last one. XGB is our last entry. XGB is a lot harder, guys. But let's see what you guys come up with. Spet, you are so fast. You managed to be like the first one every single time. Spet coming in with xylophone going bad. Deadlord says that's harder. It is, Deadlord. But you know what, Deadlord? The great ones always go out on top, right? You've already won twice. So you could be replying like, you know what? I'm going to let somebody else win. You know, so don't say it's hard. Just say, you know, I'm just going to let somebody else win. I got my 2 wins. I'm done for the day. You know, the good ones go out on top, Deadlord. Oh, Joseph. Okay. Going for the abbreviation, extra grilled burgers. I like it. I like it. Ravendron is extreme glider bikers. All right. Xenon. Oh, this is a good one. Xenon glowing bananas. I love the use of xenon there. Nice. Xenomorphic genetic builder by Rex. Okay. I like that one. A little too close to reality though, right? I mean, I bet that exists somewhere, right? Like somebody out there working on like, you know, DNA stuff like the, what is it? The CRISPR people. I bet they have a xenomorphic genetic builder. Xenon gas bulb? Yeah, okay. Okay. You gotta make me laugh though, Ashish. Extra greasy bacon. Nice. Okay. Deadlore says, nah, I like thinking. Okay, yeah. Yeah, well, if there's a if there's a way you're gonna exercise your brain, this is it. Wrong answers only. Yeah. This is what separates the good data scientists from the great one, guys. Playing this game. X-ray gummy bears. Nice. Okay. I like that one, Deadlord. Extra great bill. Okay. See, a lot of people are picking up on the extra or the what do you call it? The abbreviation. Explosive gummy bears. Okay. Okay. Extra good biscuits. Joseph, you're on this food theme. Everything is food. But we've talked a lot. We have gummy bears, biscuits, hamburgers. I missed one by Spet. Xenogenesis glutamine beta. That sounds like something your doctor would prescribe. Okay, okay. See, I thought more people would use X-ray, but now we have X-ray gifted brigadier. Nice. Sounds like a character in a game, right? Xavier's growing beard. Palky. Okay, Palky, I like that entry. Good to see you, Palky. I think you stepped away for a bit, but that's nice. Xavier's growing beard. I like it. X-Man getting bored. Okay. Okay. All right, let's have our last call for XGB. I think it doesn't help that yeah, Joseph, obviously you have food on the brain. All right, guys, last call for XGB. I don't know. There's a couple good ones here. I know which way I'm leaning. Xenon glitter bombs. Okay, cool. I like that one. Extreme graphing buddies. Nice. Christmas Go Baby by Chandra. Okay. I like the creativity there. Abdullah is xylophone galloping in the barn. Okay. Okay. A for effort, Abdullah. It's a hard one for sure. XGB is a hard one. Spet says, that's a bad idea to put xenon into glitter bombs. We're just having fun, guys. We're just having fun. Joseph says, love this game. Yeah, me too. This is fun. All right, last call for XGB. I know which way I'm leaning. Last call for XGB. X Factor Great Britain. Oh, okay. Oh, that's an actual show, right? I think that's what it's called over there, right? I think over here, it's what? It's something else. No, I think it's X Factor here too, right? In the US? Extra Grumpy Beavers. Nice. I like that one. Extra Grumpy. That's a strong entry there. Palky is Extra Giant Bear. Okay. So we have there's definitely a theme there of food and animals, right? We had a lot of that in all of the answers. Extra glutinous bread. Okay. Okay, I like that one too. You guys are coming in strong. Trying to see my other ones. Joseph extra ground beef. Well, if you took ground beef, you made it extra, it'd be like nothing, right? It'd be like powder. But A for effort on that one, Joseph. All right. All right. So this might have to go to a vote again, guys. Extra greasy burger. Ooh, I like that one. Extreme gorilla bungee. Nice. Nice. Okay. This one got, I think, the most entries. Look at you guys. You guys had a lot of entries for XGB. So maybe I should learn from that, right? The harder it is, the more entries it'll get, right? Because you have to work at it a little bit more, right? And maybe you're getting ideas from other people's entries and stuff. So maybe I should make them harder next time. Okay, so I think we need another vote, guys. I think we need another vote. I gotta tell you, I was definitely leaning one way, and you guys came in strong with some of the late entries. So I was definitely leaning. Where is it? I was definitely leaning Xenon glowing bananas. I love that entry. That's a fun one. So vote 1 for Xenon glowing bananas. What was the other ones I liked? They were late ones, so let me go down to the late ones. Extra glutinous bread. I love that one because that actually sounds real, but it's also funny. So give me a 2 for extra glutinous bread. And I kind of like the extreme gorilla bungee. That kind of makes me laugh when I think about a gorilla on a bungee. So, okay guys, so give me 1, 2, or 3. 1 is the Xenon glowing bananas. 2 is extra glutinous bread. And 3 is extreme gorilla bungees. Start the voting. So 1 for the Xenon glowing bananas, 2 for the extra glutinous bread, or 3 for the, what was it, extreme gorilla bungee. Oh, gorilla and bananas are tied. Okay, bananas takes the lead by 1. Lead by 2. Lead by 1 for bananas. So that's a 1 for Xenon glowing bananas, 2 for extra glutinous bread, or 3 for extreme gorilla bungee. Xenon glowing bananas is leading by 1 vote right now. Last call for votes. Oh, we have a tie. Ravendrana has tied us up. Oh, Gorilla has taken the lead. Extreme Gorilla Bungee is now up by 1. We're tied again. Ahmad, I think that's you voting for your entry, right? Because I don't think you voted previously. But we're tied now, guys. Xenon glowing bananas or Extreme Gorilla Bungee. Palki, I think that's a second vote, so we're still tied. Deadlord is obviously worried about this vote. Why are there no voters on Instagram? Instagram. Let's get on let's get on the same page here. All right, last call for votes. We have a tie. I'll be the tiebreaker. All right, no more votes. You know what? I gotta give it to Xenon Glowing Bananas. I thought that was a really creative entry. Gorilla came in strong at the end there. But where are we? Xenon Glowing Bananas. That's Hamad. That's a good one. That's a good one. All right, guys. I think that was my last entry. It was. Well, thanks so much, guys. That was fun. Send me some feedback on this, or let me know, in the comments for YouTube or whatnot. But that was fun. I might do that again if you guys give me some positive feedback on that. Otherwise, please remember, tomorrow, Sunday, will be a little bit more serious. We're going to work on this book. And let me change my camera up. We're going to work on this book, Chapter 5. I've already worked on the materials. We're going to use AI for the codes. It's going to be a really good session. I'm really looking forward to it. We've had some great people show up to the session. Really interactive sessions where we're talking back and forth. So feel free to come back. Yes, that's tomorrow, 1500 GMT, or you can look at the replays on YouTube. But I think that this might be a good way to end the stream here. I am just prompting Extreme Gorilla, Bungie, and Leonardo to create some funny. Oh yeah, absolutely. That would be hilarious to see a gorilla like that. I guess I have to eat my glutinous bread on myself. Well, your extra glutinous bread. Don't forget the X. Your extra glutinous bread. That was hilarious. She says, love this. Thank you so much. Okay, cool. Yeah, so we might do some more games in the future. I just thought I'd mix it up, just to have some fun. Tomorrow, the class. Monday, we'll back to our regular stream if you guys want to ask questions or whatnot. But yeah, this was fun. Hope to see you guys again next time. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your families. And I'll see you next time.